Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can install a WLED into your ESP32 C3-Mini. So it's a very simple process. So simply head on to your web browser. So I had earlier on tried it, but let me just have a new web browser, new window. And type in carenuity.com. So it will lead you to this window, this page. You click on install, proceed, and select the sensor. This is just for the other application, but we are just following the process so that we are able to reach exactly where we have the WLED. So you're going to select the microcontroller, and then also select the actuator. Finally, we need to select the environment. So you click on that, and here you simply click on this home assistant icon for the time being, but later on you'll be able to access it by clicking install for free after choosing the correct environment here. So you'll click here, and it's going to lead you into this page. So you'll scroll down until we will have ESP32 C3-Mini WLED. So you'll click on that, and here we have some description of what you are supposed to do to ensure that you've successfully installed the firmware. So we'll scroll down and click on install. This pop-up window will appear. Click on the port, then connect. Let's proceed. So if we have other firmware that had been installed, you can proceed and erase, but let us just proceed next and install. So let's see what will happen here. So notice that we have this error. So to troubleshoot it, you simply need to press the reset button. You press the reset button, then the boot button, release the reset button, and continue holding on the boot button. Then click on install, proceed, connect. Right, so the installation has begun, and you can leave your boot button. Can release your boot button. So let's wait and see. Nice. So it has successfully installed the firmware. So you can leave this window. You can then proceed and click on the reset. And then click on your Wi-Fi icon, and then we have so we expect that the Wi-Fi configuration will appear here. You can see you have WLED on this part, so you click on WLED, you connect. So it's redirecting you to this new window where you need to now configure your Wi-Fi setting with the device. So we'll click there. So for my case, I'm going to scan the available Wi-Fi. Of course, I'll find mine. Just give it time. Wow, so we have this, my Wi-Fi is there. So I'll type in my password and head down and click on save and connect. So it is redirecting you here. So what you are supposed to do is simply go back to this page and hit the install button again. The same procedure. Hit the install button, then connect. You will see this one appears. So what you do is you visit the device. Visit the device, and there you have your device. Although it has not light, so you need to configure it. Then the LED preference, proceed to LED preference. Then down here, head down here up to where we have the GPIO. So the GPIO pin for this C3-Mini is GPIO 7. So you click on GPIO 7, then head down and save. And you'll see the magic. You can see we are having the LED lighting. So let's play around and see. Let us try and have maybe blend effect. Let's see. You can see very nice blends. You can see, let's have blink rainbow. Wow. Let us have bouncing balls. You can as well still increase the brightness. You can play around with the colors. Let us have my favorite down here, rainbow. So that is it. That's how you can easily install your WLED and play around with it. So thank you for watching.